On Tuesday, August 2nd, you will be voting on a decision that will have a significant impact on the future of our city. If Issue 4 passes, it will not only hurt the city financially, but it will also jeopardize jobs, economic opportunities, and the city's relationship with its largest taxpayer, the Cleveland Clinic. Not to mention the cost to restore the land to its prior condition. 5 of 7 council members, the Planning Commission, the entire school board, the city's finance director, as well as myself, and many of your fellow residents agree that this project is necessary to provide the safest traffic flow in order to allow for the economic expansion of the Independence Technology Center and up to 1,000 jobs set to come to our city starting in the first quarter of 2012. In a few moments, you will hear what some of your fellow councilpersons and your residents have to say regarding this important project. If you still need more information regarding Issue 4, please call my office at 524-4131. Again, please vote no on Issue 4. It is vital to the betterment, safety, and future of our wonderful city. Thank you and have a great summer.
Hi, this is Councilman Jim Riley, and I'm standing at the new location of the Kiwanis Gazebo on the corner of Kathy Lynn and Seelig. As you can see, it's beautifully landscaped, and now it is handicap accessible, so every resident can now use this gazebo, whether it's for wedding pictures or just coming to sit and enjoy a cup of coffee and read a book. In the background, you'll notice the Civic Center. That was a project in the city that took 3 votes for the residents to finally pass it and get it approved. And look at all the fine services and activities that go on in that Civic Center. Seelig Road is another project that we need to get done in this city. The tax dollars it'll bring in for this city will help us continue to provide those fine services that everyone has come to expect in the city of Independence. Please remember, vote no on Issue 4.
Hi, Councilman Jim Pidio here. I am a lifelong resident and I'm currently raising my family in this beautiful city. There are many reasons to support Seelig Drive project. When completed, this project will enhance the overall safety of Seelig Drive. There have been conversations in the past where safety officers have mentioned that the intersection at Seelig Drive and Brecksville Road was not safe. This was then confirmed by a study done by GPD Group, a well-known traffic consulting firm. After thoroughly studying the intersection, GPD graded the performance of Seelig Drive poor. I also considered the safety forces. With the modernization and reconfiguration of the intersection, along with the new signalization, response time to emergencies by our safety forces will be better. The bottom line is I owe to my children who frequent that intersection and all the other residents that use Seelig Drive to make that street as safe as possible. That is why I support the realignment of Seelig Drive and ask that you support the administration and a majority of council and vote no for Issue 4.
Hello, my name is Jim Crooks, City Councilman here in the City of Independence and also a lifelong resident. I'm standing in front of the 138,000 square foot expansion to the ITC facility. I'm here to talk to you about a simple topic today. It's about jobs. The Seelig Road intersection upgrade linked to the ITC expansion is about 1,000 new jobs. It's really quite strange to me that anybody could be against 1,000 new jobs coming to the City of Independence. Now, I know that there's been some concern over the cost of this project, and I understand that because cost is an issue for me when we're spending money on programs and services in the city, and I also know that debt is a concern. But to be quite honest with you, when you look at the potential for 1,000 new jobs and how it can strengthen our tax base, we're really looking at a 4 to 6 year payback on that $3 million that we're borrowing. And I understand the debt concern, but I want the residents to know that we've paid down more than $10 million in debt since 2005. We understand those concerns, but this project is a long-term investment for this city. It's really about jobs. So if you are for the potential for 1,000 new jobs coming to the City of Independence, I encourage you to vote no on Issue 4. If you are for the Seelig Road expansion project moving forward, I ask you to vote no on Issue 4.